How do you connect with your world? With a hyper-personal bond in tune with your needs. The way Apple CarPlay compatibility naturally tends to do. Like a sixth sense with a full view of your surroundings. With an eye on your vitals, just a push away. And always with your head in the game, no matter which row you're in. How do you bring your best? By accepting nothing but the best. And by bringing it all. Because versatility knows no limits, just like you. Yet there's always time to appreciate the finer things, like automatic climate control, on top of heated front and second row outboard seats, standard on Denali, and a quiet, peaceful space to bring you back to where you want to be. How do you get away? With purpose. With the power of a 310 horsepower, 3.6-liter engine. Smart enough to actively manage your fuel. This SUV lets you select exactly how you want to handle the road. Paired with StabiliTrak, to help you stay in control. And with the confidence of a performance-tuned suspension, helping you go just about anywhere. How do you show up?
Go.
Do you just bring it? Or do you bring it all?
Lucas.
Third row like a pro. The GMC Acadia. We are professional grade. GMC.
Want to know how to personalize the available power liftgate height on the 2017 GMC Acadia? Here's a quick tip on how to do it. First, place your vehicle in park and use the control located on the driver door to set your liftgate to the 3/4 setting. Push the button on the door control to open the liftgate. After it stops, manually adjust it to your preferred height, keeping it clear of overhead obstructions like garage doors. Once you find the perfect height, press and hold the liftgate button until the turn signals flash. Next time you open your liftgate with the key fob or driver door control, it will open to your new personalized setting. That's it, you're all set. Thanks for watching this GMC Owner Quick Tip.
How do you arrive? Like a victor, entering the arena's thunderous applause. Chiseled armor, every detail shining as bright as LEDs. Your badge of honor, a testament to craftsmanship. And right when they think you've shown your all, this SUV kicks it up a notch.